This video demonstrates how to manually program Molten MIDI 2, Molten Voltage's exclusive Whammy MIDI controller. If you haven't already checked out the Molten MIDI 2 video, click on the link that's going to appear right now. The first thing you need to do to manually program Molten MIDI 2 is stop any loop that's playing. Keep Molten MIDI 2 connected to the Whammy. Press and hold button 1, and while you're holding button 1, press button 2 twice. The effect turns off and the shallow LED flashes along with the LED indicating the currently selected program. Rotate the knob to select the program to overwrite. Press button 2 to lock in your selection. The Whammy LEDs next light up in a circular pattern indicating that it's time to select the program type. Rotate the knob briefly and let go to advance to the next program type. When the LEDs light up in a circular pattern, that's loop portamento. When the LEDs light up in a circular pattern skipping every other one, that's loop no portamento. When they go up and down the left side, that's step portamento. When they go up and down the left side skipping every other one, that's step no portamento. And when they go in a circle skipping every fifth one, that's a different settings type program you've selected. For this video, we're going to use a loop portamento type program. Press button 2 to lock in your selection. When you're making a loop or step type program, the deep LED flashes along with the LED corresponding to the base setting for the sequence. For example, right now it's on the octave down, octave up setting. We turn the knob and cycle through the settings until we get to the one we want, then we press button 2 to lock it in. We're going to use an octave up. The effect turns on with the expression pedal virtually set to the toe up, heel down position. Rotating the knob adjusts the virtual position along a chromatic scale. If you play a note on your instrument, you can hear it. Each time you press button 2, you add another step to the sequence. So we're going to keep it real simple here, and we're going to program 4 steps at unison and 4 steps at an octave up. When you've programmed all the steps you want, press button 1 to start the loop playing. If you have it set up in Whammy and clock mode, it also starts sending MIDI clock information to your drum machine. Adjust the tempo to where you want it and then press button 2 to lock it in. After it writes, the loop will just start playing. Using the other types of programs is even easier. And of course, if you have a computer with a MIDI output, it's a snap to program Molten MIDI 2 using our custom programming utility, available on our website. Be sure to read the owner's manual for more information on programming and all the other features of Molten MIDI 2. Now get out there and take charge of your Whammy.